Good morning. Welcome to MBDS Gurukul channel. How are you? I hope you will be healthy and happy. Please subscribe this channel and share this video in your friend circle. Now let me solve the questions that I gave you for practice. After that, the left question of exercise 8.1. Okay? First question. In a triangle ABC, right angle at B, if tan A is equal to 1, then verify that 2 sin A into cos A is equal to 1. Now, I am solving this practice question. Question number 1. Solution. In question given angle B is equal to 90 degree and tan A is equal to 1. Okay, I am also write this 1 by 1. Okay, now I am drawing a picture of triangle ABC where angle B is equal to 90 degree, because tan A is equal to tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base. For angle A, perpendicular is equal to BC and base is equal to AB. Okay, therefore BC is equal to 1K let. Okay, and AB is equal to also 1K let. I let BC is equal to 1K because I don't know what is the number, which number is 1. Also I can write 1 by 3 by 3, and then I multiply 3 by 3 getting 1. So I don't know which number is this. Okay, now by Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras theorem, AC is equal to root under AB square is plus BC square is equal to 1K the whole square plus 1K the whole square is equal to root under 1K square plus 1K square is equal to root under 2K square is equal to square root of K square is equal to K, and also 2 is in under root. Okay, K root under 2. This is the value of AC. Okay, now LHS is equal to 2 sin A into cos A is equal to 2 into sin theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Okay, so according to the picture, for angle A, perpendicular is equal to BC and hypotenuse is equal to AC into cos A. Cos theta is equal to base by perpendicular. For angle A, AB is equal to base and perpendicular is equal to AC is equal to 2 into 1K by K root 2 into 1K by K root 2 k cancel, is equal to 2 into 1 into 1 by root under 2 into 2 is equal to 2 by root 2 into root 2, 2. 2 ones 2 is equal to 2 is equal to RHS proved. Now verify. Question number 2. In triangle OPQ right angled at P, OP is equal to 7 cm and OQ minus PQ is equal to 1 cm. Determine the value of sin theta and cos theta. Okay. Now sin Q and cos Q. Okay. Solution 2. Given angle P is equal to 90 degree, OP is equal to 7 cm, OQ minus PQ is equal to 1 cm. Okay. Because OQ minus PQ is equal to 1 centimeter. Therefore, now first I draw a triangle. Angle P is equal to 90 degree. Okay. So here I write Q, OP, OQ. I can also write O here and Q here. Okay. Now OQ. Therefore OQ is equal to 1 plus PQ. Equation 1. By Pythagoras theorem, OQ is equal to root under OP square जोड़ plus PQ square is equal to, now is equal to OP I am also write by that OQ square is equal to OP square plus PQ square. Implies by equation 1 OQ is equal to 1 plus PQ, so I put the value of OQ 1 plus PQ the whole square is equal to OP. OP is equal to 7, so I put the value 7 square plus PQ square. Implies 1 plus by the formula A plus B the whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. So A square plus 2AB plus B square is equal to 7 are 49 plus PQ square. PQ square cancel. Implies 1 plus 2 PQ is equal to 49. Implies 2 PQ is equal to 49 minus 1. Implies 2 PQ is equal to 48. Divided 48 by 2, then I get 24. Implies PQ is equal to 24. Because OQ is equal to 1 plus PQ implies 1 plus 24, this is centimeter, is equal to 25 centimeter. Okay. Now I am getting, therefore sin Q is equal to for Q perpendicular is equal to base, hypotenuse the same OQ, then OP by OQ is equal to OP is equal to 7 centimeter, OQ is equal to 25 centimeter, is equal to 7 by 25. Cos Q is equal to, cos Q is equal to, for angle Q, base PQ by OQ is equal to, PQ is equal to 24 centimeter and OQ is equal to 25 centimeter, is equal to 24 by 25 answer. Now from the exercise, okay, exercise 8.1, the next question. Question number 10 for exercise, from exercise 8.1. In triangle PQR, right angled at Q, PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeter and PQ is equal to 5 centimeter. Determine the value of sin P, cos P and tan P. Okay. Solution. Given PQ is equal to 5 centimeter, angle Q is equal to 90 degree and PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeter. Draw the triangle. Q is 90 degree, so P, Q and R. Okay. Now because PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeters, therefore PR is equal to 25 minus QR, equation 1. By Pythagoras theorem, PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square, implies PR is equal to 25 minus QR. 25 minus QR the whole square is equal to PQ. PQ is equal to 5 centimeter, so 5 square plus QR square, implies 20A minus B the whole square is equal to A square minus 2AB or B square plus B square. (25) to the whole square minus 2 into 25 into QR 2AB plus B square QR square is equal to 5 5 are 25 plus QR square. QR square and QR square cancel, implies 25 into 25 is equal to 625 minus 25 into 250 QR is equal to 25, implies 625 minus 25 is equal to 550 QR, implies 600 is equal to 50 QR. Now divided 600 by 50, then in one times, and then I get it 1012. Okay, implies QR is equal to 12 centimeters. Okay, so therefore PR is equal to 25 minus, because PR is equal to 5 minus QR. Here I also write by equation 1. Okay, you can also write in the practice question here. Also you write by equation 1. Okay, implies 25 minus 12 is equal to 23 centimeter. Now find the value first sin p. Okay, now sin p, for p, pq is equal to 5 centimeter, qr is equal to 12 centimeter, and this is 13 centimeter. Okay, so sin p is equal to pq perpendicular by hypotenuse. qr perpendicular qr by pr. qr is equal to 12 centimeter and pr 13 centimeter, is equal to 12 by 13. Okay, cos p is equal to cos p base qr pq by pr. pq 5 centimeter by 13 centimeter, then is equal to 5 by 13. Okay, tan p is equal to perpendicular by base, is equal to 12 centimeter by 5 centimeter, is equal to 12 by 5. Answer. Okay, the next question, question number 11. Question number 11. State whether the following are true or false. Just justify your answer. First question, the value of tan A is always less than 1. It is possible. Solution 1. This is the value of tan A is always less than 1. Now tan A is less than 1. Suppose that this is triangle. Okay, four, 3 and 5. Now here suppose here A, B is 90 degree and this is C. Tan A is equal to 4 by 3. Okay, the 4 by 3 here, tan A is equal to 4 by 3. Okay, perpendicular by base. The 4 by 3 is greater than 1, but in question number 1 say that value of tan A is always less than 1, but here greater than 1, so this is false. Not always. Always means every time, but here not every time. Okay, so this statement is false. Okay, question number 2. Sec A is equal to 12 by 15 for some value of angle A. Sec A is equal to 12 by 15. Okay, sec theta is equal to hypotenuse by base. Hypotenuse is always greater than base and hypotenuse is always greater than perpendicular. So here 12 sec theta is equal to hypotenuse by base. So hypotenuse is equal to 12 and base is equal to 5. So here 12 is greater than 5. It means that sec C sec A is equal to 12/5 true. Question number 3. Cos A is the abbreviation used for the cosine of angle A. False. Because cosine A, the abbreviation of cosec A is cosine A. Cosine A is cos A. Cosine A, the abbreviation of cosine A is equal to cos A. So this is not true. Cosine A is the abbreviation of cosec A. Okay. 4. Cot A is the product of cot and A. Not. Cot A show the value of angle A. Okay. And cot and A is not the product of cot A. Okay. This is not product. Cot A is the value of cot on the base of angle A. So this is false. Sin theta is equal to 4/3 for some angle of angle theta, subangle theta. This is also false. Because here I am written hypotenuse is greater than base and hypotenuse is also greater than perpendicular. But in sin theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse, and here 4/3. Now here perpendicular is greater than hypotenuse, so this is not true because hypotenuse is greater than perpendicular. Okay, so this is false. That's all. Thank you. Good night. In next video I am going to start exercise 8.1. okay, that's all. Thank you. Good night.